While listening, I realize my question is so much about balance. When you talk about the holy womb space, can you talk about the holy head space to balance that?
Well, they cannot be separated. For when healing the womb, you are healing the head. When healing the head, you are healing the womb and the heart. For you are opening the eyes within the sacred holy womb, whether male or female, within the heart and within the head, to unify these energies into one field, in which takes place through presence. And so, yes, you can step into stillness and into presence, in which the mind is no longer in the past or the future, begin to creating a balance within that field. But the reason that we have descended and moved through this physical vessel is and to have created an entire body of work to activate your light body. And in order to do that, different energetic parts must come, as you say, into balance, whether that to be the divine masculine or feminine unifying within the left and right hemisphere of the brain to open up portals to higher dimensions, or the healing of the sacred holy womb, or the blooming of the rose heart within the center of the heart itself as it comes into a coherent field. And so we encourage you to go into that divine feminine codes itself, to feel into their frequencies, or to drop into the pineal gland codes. And this in itself will, through the transmission and the light that passes through the body, activate balance and create coherence within these spaces. And so it is not arbitrary that we have spent hours and hours and hours and hours bringing forth from the angelic realm and many dimensional realities these ancient teachings and codes, for they are designed on purpose to activate and create coherent fields, so that you may elevate your vibration to fully step into the truth of your own divinity at the full awakening, unveiling, and remembering of your essence. And so this balance can be received through these processes and exercises. Now, do not misunderstand that this particular body of work or way of doing this is not the only way. And it is not necessary in order to activate your light body, for it can be done on your own or through other teachings and connections. But if you have connected here, it appears that you are attuned to these vibrations for this purpose in order to receive these codes. And so this balance is already within you. It already exists. You are already in a state of equilibrium. It is more the remembering of that that only can open in the state of a presence, in the stillness, in the emptiness, in the space in between, in the zero point, in which the mind is not active in what has been or what shall be, but is open to a state of equilibrium, in which you can receive a greater acceleration in that healing through these balances of the codes, in which we have already transmitted over many years now for all of you.